Hey, I got a couple of things that I've requested from Aroma Concepts. So, firstly, I got the Khair Fusion oil now, and I did finish out my bottle, so I'm glad that I got this in. Then, I got Mehwish here. I've been playing around in this, but we're just gonna pretend that I haven't smelled it yet. And then, I also got Marshmallow blush, and the packaging on this is so cute. So, first off, the packaging is gorgeous. Like, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's bigger than my head. And then you open this up and you have the moon. Like, look at how cute this is. Isn't this just so gorgeous? And it smells delicious. So to my nose, I picked this up as like a combination of a lighter version of the OG Good Girl and then Honey Oud, if that makes any sense. So there's notes of like bergamot, there's honey, there's almond, there's orange blossom, there's pistachio, and then in the base there's that vanilla, amber, and tonka. And this just like, this smells so good. It's very strong too. You're gonna get some nice projection. I got, I want to say 8 hours of wear on this. I had like tested it out before bed, and when I woke up, it was still on and nicely strong. I was like, wait, what is that I have on? And then I was like, oh yeah, that's this. That smells really good. But anyway, I'll talk about that in more like in depth or whatnot if you want me to, like where you could wear it and so on and so forth. Let's just move ahead. Now we have Khair Fusion. I should have opened these before I started recording, but it's fine. Oh, this is so cute. I did expect it to be a little bit bigger than this, but this is really, really so freaking cute. Like, it looks just like the Khair Fusion bottle, only the regular bottles don't have this gold piece at the bottom, but let's see what this is hitting for. Okay, the top is nice and heavy. Oh, oh my gosh. It's definitely Khair Fusion. It has that sweet, kind of tarty, fruity, oh, drinkable, just goodness. If you do season your scents, this is going to be perfect for the summer. It is inspired by Eden Sparkling Lychee, just like Khair Fusion, which is the Khair Fusion oil. So that, y'all know what I mean. In any case, this smells delicious. And I do have a combo that I was using with my bottle of the perfume or whatnot, that I'm gonna use this in like place of it, or until I get another bottle or whatnot. But this is so delicious. And the bottle is so cute. Like, look at that. And I know like these Middle Eastern oils, they're strong. So you really don't need a whole lot to, have yourself smelling good for hours and hours on end. And last but certainly not least, we got this pretty girl right here called Marshmallow Blush. It looks like an envelope. And it has the seal that I just broke off the box by accident. But we won't talk about that. I think I might be breaking the box. This is what the bottle looks like, and she's inspired by Young Bougie, as you know. I did actually smell her back at the Indomitable release, but I didn't fully get like a good whiff of it or whatnot. So, and I have had these for a couple of days, so they've gotten time to like sit after like mail shock or whatnot potentially. So, okay. I'm getting that nice marshmallow, pink, like strawberry marshmallow candyishness. I wouldn't say it's 100% to Young Bougie, but it is really close. This is really pretty and very like pink smelling. If I didn't just put this on myself, and I had other perfume already, but I'm already ready to spray this on myself. So like I said, that was Marshmallow Blush, Khair Fusion, and Mehwish, and I'm gonna link them in the cart for you guys if you want to check them out. And they'll also be in my showcase as well, and I do have a code for them if y'all want to use that. But All of that will be in the description or whatnot. I'll see y'all in the next video.